fixing to add some baling twine. I'm about out in here, so I'm just going to piggyback off of these. Let me know what y'all use in your square balers. I kind of found that the 7200 170 is about the best, the poly line, because it's thicker in diameter. It's kind of like your old stuff. You know, this stuff was made back with sisal twine and the thicker stuff, and it knots to me the best. I like sisal too, but sometimes I can't find it here, and I'll have to order it far off or order this far off. But this can withhold and stand up to moisture and stuff like that too. So I kind of go with this. Sometimes I'll do sisal, sometimes what I can really get up my hands on. So we're gonna piggyback, put this in here. We're gonna go try to bale a little bit. Let's see if we can get this twine put in here and tied up, ready to go. I think I've showed y'all this one time before, but if not, for the new folks that's here, do away with our old sisal wrap. Stick our twine in. This one is going to come from this, so you pull from your center string on this one to your outer string on your old one. So when your old one is completely done, it's starting to pull from your new one. I just do a square knot in it. Sometimes it pulls, sometimes it breaks. You'll know it because you won't tie right if that's the case. So I got the first one in. Get y'all over here where you can see the second one. I hope y'all can see all this. So this is the second one I'm going to be doing, and this is the outer. Okay, so we're going to take our outer string to our inner string on our new one, and we're going to tie them together. All right, well, we're here at the field. I probably got about 8 or 10 windrows to do, and like I say, it ain't but 2 acres. It's pretty thin stuff, and hopefully we can get it knocked out in, I don't know, an hour or so, hour and a half tops, 2 hours maybe, I don't know. But we got to bale it, pick it up, and get it under the barn all today. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this pickup and get it ready to go. Just like that. Everything should be good. And let's see what some thin bahai grass, first of the season type hay, will look like for us. pads are doing good. Yeah, them ain't New Holland brake pads. Go back in my videos from last year and you'll see them. Them are some old brake pads off my old Ford truck. They work just as fine. See? Everything picked up. It took me literally an hour and 10 minutes just to bale this 2 acres, and sitting right there on the trailer is 55 bales.